I am absolutely delighted with my results from Dr. Lamb. I was terrified when I came in here because I was losing the hair on the top of my head, and I had tried everything that I knew possible. When I came into Dr. Lamb, he assured me that he could help me, and it is 7 months out now. I could not possibly be happier. The results of the surgery were, it was very easy. There was no pain involved with it. I was so happy. Now, the first 3 months were a little scary, but then after that, it all started coming in, and now I've just got new hair on the top of my head that I love. So I would highly recommend this, and I am eventually going to send my daughter here because she is having the same kind of issues. So thank you, Dr. Lamb, so much. I'm very happy.